kitchen, and today I'm going to be making Rice Krispies. I think it's very easy. So, what you're gonna need is you're gonna need 3 tablespoons of butter, which we have here, and we already cut them up and stuff. So we got 3 tablespoons of butter, then jet puffed marshmallows, then we have Rice Krispie cereal, and it would look something like that, and a measuring cup, and a pan to put your Rice Krispies in. Doesn't matter how large or not, we just got a huge one, and yeah, I don't know why, but yeah, we got a huge one because we're making a huge one. We're going somewhere tonight, or not tonight, but maybe tonight, I don't know. But yeah, so I'm gonna do fun facts also as we're doing it. So yeah, that's all you're gonna need, and yeah, so what you're gonna do is the first step is you're gonna put it in a large saucepan and melt butter over low heat, and then add marshmallows and stir completely until completely melted, and then remove from heat. So it is. So technically what you're gonna do is you're gonna melt it on the stove and then add marshmallows and then stir till it's melted and then remove it from heat. So yeah, we're gonna do that and then see you when we've melted it. And yeah. So I just melted the butter, and now I'm gonna add in the marshmallows, and you're gonna add lots of marshmallows in. So like that, and then stir it until it's completely melted. And then what you're gonna do is you're going to get 6 cups of Rice Krispies when this is completely melted, and then yeah. So while the marshmallows are melting, I'm bored, so I'm just gonna do some fun facts on my computer. So yeah, I was just bored. So yeah. It is impossible for most people to lick their elbow. I can't do that. Okay, I can't do that at all. And a crocodile can't stick its tongue out. Okay. And then a shrimp's heart is in its head. Okay, I did not know that at all. It is physically impossible for pigs to look up into the sky. And the sixth sheep's stick is believed to be the toughest tongue twister in the English language. I think that also because I can't do that. And so we just transferred the Rice Krispies into here. And all we're gonna do is pat it down and even it out. And it's really sticky, so it's gonna be kind of hard. So, yeah. Okay, so we just finally pat it down, and it is nice and flat. So we're just gonna let it sit and cool, and then it's done. So thank you for watching, and if you do this, it'd be really sticky and messy, but worth it. So yeah, bye. Come back to Natalie's kitchen.